早起看世界，来看美国嘅太空人出进步。原本按算要留8天，结果煞留伫外太空9个月。也伫2礼拜前，因成功返来地球，嘛头一届开伫顶一日头一届开记者会，来分享这段意外经验。其中有一个太空人就表示，返来地球上界欢喜嘅，就是会当倒伫眠床。
Went to bed. Felt good. Lay down on a bed for the first time in 9 months was pretty awesome. I crashed until the next day.
调伫太空站9个月，也伫适应重力的女太空人威廉斯，虽然外表看起来好亲像有较老，不过讲到这段意外旅程，也是真有精神。伊甲魏摩尔去年6月坐波音公司的星际飞机号太空船出任务，不过伫咧对接国际太空站的时阵，发现有氦气泄漏，也甲推进器失灵的问题，互因这段太空旅程为8天变作288天，到底是谁爱为这个问题负责任呢？
But certainly there's responsibility throughout all the programs, and certainly you can start with me.
伫共同召开的记者会，魏摩尔坦白承认太空人完好责任，伊甲威廉斯拜三要访问波音，探讨太空船突出的问题。不过两个人表示，也是对波音太空船有信心，会愿意搁做。
There's lessons learned, and that's like a piece of hope, right? We're not just sitting here doing the same thing over and over again, and we're learning from every mistake.
嘛是甲经验传承予太空人，威廉斯讲，伊嘛要甲囡仔讲，人生的旅程本来就充满意外甲惊喜，只要伫家己的目标真用心，其他的机会门就会为你开。
Just resilience and being able to take a turn that was unexpected and make the best of it, and I think that is the biggest thing that I want to, pass down, particularly to kids.
公司新闻，詹慧敏编译。